here. Welcome back to my channel. We are doing another DIY video, beauty related. I have bought the Julian tinting kit for my eyebrows. I'm going to test it and see what comes out. I've never done this, so we are going to be learning together. Obviously, we are still under lockdown, so I can't go get my eyebrows waxed and tinted by Precious, the lady who does my eyebrows amazingly. I will be going back to her business, supporting as soon as we are out of this situation. Yeah, so in the meantime, I'm trying to make do with what I have. And yeah, I've got this drugstore kit, and let's get going. My eyebrows currently have absolutely nothing on them. Like, this is how I wake up with them. I do have some makeup on my face, but my eyebrows are totally bare. I will be neatening them up a bit with a razor, and then I will show you guys how I tint, and hopefully this turns out well, because if it doesn't, tense, I have work tomorrow, so it has to turn out well. Alright, here's the box. Brow tint kits, midnight black. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Please note, hair colorants can cause severe allergic reactions, so please do a spot test, especially if you know you're sensitive to products. Wear suitable gloves and rinse eyes immediately if product comes into contact with them. Cool. Ooh, something just popped out. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. Okay, lash and brow dye, cream developer, and looks like a little spoolie type thing. Oh, and it comes with a little well here, so you can actually mix it. That is sweet. I love thoughtful packaging. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Looks like instructions. Tint kit. Available in the following colors: light brown, midnight black, dark brown. There was also a blue black when I was at the store. Okay. Let's see. Cleanse brows thoroughly. Then apply petroleum jelly or thick cream around the brows to protect the skin. Okay, I've got petroleum jelly. Remove the foil cover from the tint tube, squeeze into the mixing tray, add an equal amount of developer. Using the round bristle brush, mix thoroughly to a smooth paste. Okay, apply mixture using the brush, allow to develop for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove with damp cotton wool. Oh, okay. So you can reapply if you don't like the darkness. Great. We prefer curved brows to curved balls. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean, but okay. Okay. So our beautiful modern tube design pack will be back. Okay, I guess they've had to modify their something. Maybe they've had an issue with their boxing. Anyways, I am not disappointed. Let's get busy. Here is my protective layer of petroleum jelly and the cotton pads that I'm going to be dampening and using to wipe away any excess dye. This is a close-up of me applying petroleum jelly. I've already applied a layer. I'm just tracing the shape of my eyebrow to show you guys how I did it. This is me now applying the dye onto my eyebrow with the spoolie applicator. I'm going to do the rest in the mirror, but I'm just showing you how I did my strokes. They were short and in the direction that my eyebrow grows in. This is basically how much I'm putting on. I'm rushing to shoot this because I I really don't want to have super dark eyebrows. Can you see? Okay, yeah, this is where I'm at. Super happy with the shape. You can see there's some redness from me shaping. Don't mind that. Color I'm happy with. Yeah, overall this is a decent eyebrow job. I will just be waking up and going in the morning. I'm actually quite excited. Wow, okay. I did this myself, and you can do it if you get this kit. No promo, because I'm not being paid for this. I could probably throw this away, but because I am the person that I am, I have washed it, rinsed it. I'm gonna leave it to dry by my window, and I'm gonna put all the contents back in, and put them back in the box for my next application. There's significant fading, so I'm not sure I'll make 6 weeks, perhaps 4. But overall, I'm pretty impressed. This gets a 4 for value for money because it's great to use in a pinch. It can last you at least 2 weeks, but I would still say going to an eyebrow professional is worth the money. You'll see better results, especially someone who knows your face. 3.5 for user friendliness because I did not like the spoolie, but overall it's quite simple. Visual appeal, I mean, it's a cute product. 5 effectiveness. 4, it did what it said it was going to do. Longevity, I'd give it a 3.5 because it does look like it is fading after 2 weeks, and I think it promised 6 weeks. I will keep using this until it finishes. I think it's a great product and also a great solution for when you're traveling and might be away from the person who usually does your eyebrows. Well, if you made it here, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment and let me know what other DIY hacks you'd like to see.